Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be organizing my bookshelf with me. This is like the end of it. I didn't do an intro, so I'm doing one right now. But I have organized my bookshelf. I'm kind of happy with it, kind of not. Like, it's just gonna stay like that for now. But if you guys want to see what I did with my bookshelf and like all the books that I have and like how I organized it, just keep on watching. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to see next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So here is my bookcase before I clean everything up. It's just a whole mess of things. Like up here, it's a lot of like Katie Kazoo, Junie B. Jones books that I used to read when I was younger, and I want to keep these books. I got rid of a lot of books, like I don't even know how long ago, and these are the books that I kept. But what I'm gonna do is put this in my closet. I have a little bit of space in my closet, up on my shelf in my closet, that I could put all these books into like maybe like a little box or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna take these off so then I can start putting my books. Over here is just a lot of pictures and like little memorabilia stuff. Textbooks from school, so all my psychology textbooks and all my psychology books are here. So I'm just probably gonna leave that alone, but like kind of like organize it even more. And then I have like bins here, like 4 bins, and I have junk in them. So maybe I could like somehow clean that up and put that somewhere else, so then I can like take these bins out and then put books down here as well. We're gonna first start off with this top shelf. This is all empty, and now I have to clean out this whole area. I already kind of cleaned this out, so I'm just gonna clean this area. So I have this shelf and this shelf for now. Okay, so I have all my books in the book cart, as you can see. I'm gonna start taking them out, putting them on the floor, and like organizing them into piles. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we are just gonna take everything out. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you guys my little stack of books right here. So this I started to read, but I haven't finished it. This is my 2 like Christian books. Then I got classic books, 3 classic books. This whole thing I have read, all of that. This is what I have to finish. So I also got these books as well, so I have to put them somewhere in the shelf as well. But these are the newer books that I got. I'm really gonna try to figure out how to put these books up there. I don't think they're gonna fit in those 2 things, so I'm gonna have to clean out the 3rd one. I'll probably put the top ones as the ones that I have read, and then the bottom ones as the ones I have to read. So yeah, let's go get my mom so she can hold this camera. So I don't know how I feel about how this looks right now. Looks kind of cluttered, but I'm gonna have to have it like this for now. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the other books in my cart Actually, let's try to put it on the shelf. So many decisions. Okay, so this is how everything looks right now. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Do you like it? I don't know if I should add the ones that I recently got. I don't know how I feel. Maybe I have to look at inspo or something on Pinterest. So this is how my bookshelf is looking like. This is how it's going to stay until I figure something out. But on this top shelf, I have finished all these books. Then on this shelf is my TBR list, TBR books. I have my Venus de Flor rose that my mom got me like years ago, and it's still living. Got these seashells from Hawaii. I can't wait to read this series. Alexa Ray was talking about them and they sounded so interesting, so I can't wait to read this. I can't wait to read these books. Gotta read the books in the back. I'm excited to read every book. So then on this third shelf, I have my like Christian books. I have my Hunger Games that I need to read. I've watched all the movies, but now I want to read the books. I know it's kind of like opposite, but you know, it's okay. Then I got psychology books. Then I got these couple books that I have kept from like my old collection that I got like rid of all my books, and I just kept like these. Then these are the books that I haven't finished yet. The last thing he told me, I didn't really like. I don't know, it just didn't make sense to me, this one. The Last Letter from Your Lover, I didn't like the writing style. Falling in His and Hers, I haven't finished yet. I started to read it and then I stopped reading it, and then I just started reading other books. And then The Luckiest Girl Alive, I love the movie, but I don't know, I didn't like how it started. And then I have the psychology books. So it just looks like this. Luckily, I still have room in every one of the shelves, so can't wait to fill them up. But hopefully it'll stay like this for a while because it looks kind of nice like this. My hair looks kind of crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Comment down below if you guys want me to do any other book videos, related videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.